Hello.
Hi.
We're back. It's Lisa and Ava.
Yep.
Nailed it. Cooking with Ava. Well, we're baking. What are we baking?
Brownie pie.
It is a brownie pie, but Paula Dean calls it Corry's Kentucky Pie. And you start out with, well, so not these, because Ava's getting ready to eat these. But this is about half a package of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
And nuts.
Well, we're not putting the nuts in yet.
Oh.
They don't go into the list. I need this though. And we're only making one pie. The actual recipe calls for 2 pies, but we're just gonna make one because, you know. So we got a stick of butter and half a package of semi-sweet chocolate morsels. We're gonna melt this and get it nice and gooey. So it's nice and melted, the butter and the chocolate chips. Now we need to add some sugar to make it sweet. Do you know how much?
2.
Just 1.
Oh,
we're only making 1 pie. Oh, I guess I should let you do it. You want to stir it?
Yes.
Oh, and the oven is preheating to 350. You have to cook your pie crust a little bit first. So Ava's doing that. I'm going to get out 2 eggs. But you don't want to add your eggs if your chocolate is too hot. Do you know why?
Why?
You'll have scrambled eggs.
Huh?
If your chocolate is too hot, when you put your eggs in there, it'll scramble them. What?
Weird.
Yeah. All right, so let's crack 2 eggs.
Sorry.
Por favor. Sakes. I
Ow.
think this is, sorry. I think this is cooled off enough that our eggs should be safe. They won't say, help me. Help me.
Huh? What do you mean?
Nothing. Oh, you need another one, don't you? Excellent. Ooh, look at these eggs.
What are you doing?
I don't know if they can see them. Look how orange they are. Those are some good eggs, man. Okay. Here, I'll take your shell.
Okay.
I'll be your trash lady. Excellent. Another excellent orange egg. So you got the egg stirred up?
Yes.
So now we need to add some flour. We need half a cup of self-rising flour. Interesting. Don't usually have a baking recipe with self-rising flour.
With the biscuits.
Yeah, we do biscuits, don't we? So I guess they didn't see the vanilla being put in, but whatever. So we put some vanilla in, and 2 eggs. And now we got some flour. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. Half a cup. Was it on when we did the sugar?
Yeah.
Okay. We got eggs, sugar, chocolate chips, flour, butter, vanilla. And then we have something that you have chopped up to put in there after that's done. And we have to get out our
Pie crust.
pie crust. Easy peasy.
Not this part.
That's not hard. That's not hard. Or that's not easy. All right. So let's get one of these bad boys out of here. Beautiful. And as soon as the oven is ready, we'll bake this off. So my deer went off. I'm gonna go bake the crust for Oh, no, you don't. I thought you bake the crust first. You don't. Sorry. So we're going to put the nuts in there. So we got a cup of nuts. It calls for pecans. We did a little half and half. You want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay. You hold it there and I'll scrape it in here. How's that? Thank you to my chef for chopping those up. And almost tripped over a dog. Oh my gosh. Should they see Max?
Yes.
I want to see Max. You see him? Hi, Max. And then here's the other one. Always on the floor, bothering us. Hoping for a handout. I'll probably take a break. Okay. So we got our pie crust. I would suggest putting it on a baking sheet just to make it nice and stable, and if it would boil over. I don't think it will, but it's a easier cleanup if it does. So you can see why this is called a brownie pie, or why Ava calls it a brownie pie.
What do you mean?
I mean, it's called Corry's Kentucky pie, but it's like a brownie. It's thick and gooey and chocolatey and nutty. And you, after you bake it, what do we put on it sometimes? Do you remember?
Hard to.
No? I mean, I guess you could. Well, what could you put on it? What do we put on it?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream. Sometimes ice cream. All right, so it's going in for like 45 minutes.